Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are a gift from God.
गुरु में संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया। प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। गुरुवर है पालनहारे, हर संकट से उबारे। गुरुवर है पालनहारे, हर संकट से उबारे। सबकी जीवन नैया को देते हैं वो किनारे। जीवन भर सतगुरुवर ने सत ज्ञान का अमृत बांटा। अब इनके चरणों में है हम सबका एक ही वादा। जो सीखा है उसे अपनाएंगे, गुरुवर के हो जाएंगे। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। गुरुवर है दया की मूरत, करुणा का निर्वात। गुरुवर है दया की मूरत, करुणा का निर्वात। पथ भूले राही को ये नई राह दिखलाते। गुरु है शीतल चंदा से, सागर से गहरे ज्ञानी। प्रभु को हमने ना देखा, बस इनकी कही है मानी। गुरुवर को अपना माना है, ये दिल गुरु का दीवाना।
चरणों में नमन नमन नमन, सौ बार नमन। गुरुवर के चरणों में नमन। तरुवर की छाया से गुरुवर जीवन पथ पर साथ चले। साथ अगर छूटा भी बनकर आशीषों के हाथ चले। नमन नमन, सौ बार नमन। गुरुवर के चरणों में नमन नमन नमन, सौ बार नमन। गुरुवर के चरणों में नमन। शब्दों से वो प्रथम परिचय, अर्थों का सपनीला संसार। हाँ, दिया आपने गुरुवर मेरे जीवन को सुंदर आकार। तब शायद ना जान सका था आज, मगर मैं समझा हूँ वो आपकी झिड़की में भी थी। एक प्रेम की गंगा समझा हूँ। नमन नमन, सौ बार नमन। गुरुवर के चरणों में नमन नमन नमन, सौ बार नमन। गुरुवर के चरणों में नमन।
A good teacher is like a candle. for others. I repeat, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. We have gathered here to celebrate the Teachers' Day, and my heart is filled with immense joy, gratitude and pride for the gift of these our dear teachers. This day, celebration of Teachers' Day is not just a formality in our school calendar. Rather, it's a sacred occasion. It's an auspicious moment to pause, to think, to thank, and to bow our heads in gratitude and respect for the guiding lights of our lives, namely our teachers, who shape minds, who mold the character, and who guide futures. Dear teachers, when I look at all of you, I see more than just professionals fulfilling a duty. I see in you a true mentor. I see in you a true nation builder. I see in you a true life shaper, and I see in you a second parent to the students who are entrusted to your care, who not only invest knowledge but also patience, love and sacrifice into the lives of your students. Yes, dear teachers, your classrooms filled with these children are not just places of learning. Rather, they are the garden where these young minds bloom. Your classrooms are temple of learning where values are nurtured, where minds are enlightened, where characters are molded, and where futures are built. I do agree, teaching is not an easy task. It requires sacrifice. It requires patience. It requires compassion, and as well as it requires commitment and dedication. Teacher is the one who notices a child's silence. Teacher is the one who encourages a timid learner. Teacher is the one who instills confidence when the world outside is so harsh to them. And teacher is the one who understands each child with their strength and limitation. Yes, dear teachers, you as teachers not only just teach lessons, but you touch lives. You not only complete the syllabus, but you are molding and building the character of each children who are in your classrooms. Today, on this auspicious day, when we celebrate the Teachers' Day, we also remember the great philosopher, the great teacher, and the former president of our nation, India, namely Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we celebrate as a Teachers' Day. He believed true teachers are those who help us to think for ourselves. And indeed, dear teachers, you are inspiring our children not only just to learn, you are helping them to think, to question, and to dream. Dear students, dear children, today, when we celebrate the Teachers' Day, I would like to tell you one thing. Don't ever underestimate the role of your teacher. We live in a world of different values. Never ever underestimate the role of your teacher. Remember, behind every success that you achieve, there is a teacher who believed in you. There's a teacher who encouraged you. There's a teacher who motivates you. And there is a teacher who guided you even when you doubt yourself. Always hold your teachers in respect and gratitude. Some days, when you achieve great heights, you will realize that the foundation of your success was laid in these very classrooms by the caring hands of your teachers. So dear teachers, today, on this auspicious day, on behalf of the entire school management, our parents, and the beloved students, I express and I extend my deepest appreciation to all of you for your selfless and dedicated service to this institution as well as to our students and the society at large. Remember, dear teachers, you are the strength of the Nirmala Convent School, and you are the pillars on which Nirmala family stands. So, I pray, may you continue to inspire, may you continue to guide, and may you continue to shape generations yet to come with the same passion and same love. Let me conclude with these words. Teaching is the only profession which gives rise to all other professions. May you always find joy, always find strength, and always find happiness and fulfillment in the noble mission of shaping the young minds that you have taken up. God bless all of you, and thank you once again. Have a wonderful day.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण